Hello, in this video I want to show the AI features that you didn't know about on HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra. Alright, let's open up the settings, and in here we have our all AI features in HUAWEI Assistant. It's similar, for example, into Gemini and Siri, but you know, the HUAWEI doesn't have support of Google services, and it's a little bit different. So we have things such as AI Voice, AI Lens, AI Touch, AI Tips, and AI Search. Let's begin with the AI Voice. First, if you are doing it for the first time, there is a chance that the voice wake up is not turned on. So that's the first thing that we need to do. Let's turn it on. Now, thanks to that, we can launch the assistant basically saying this sentence, but if you are turning it on for the first time, you'll have to record the phrase to have possibility to launch the Celia by simply using the voice command. And now I'll tell you and I'll show you a few things that we can do using our AI assistant. So for example, we can ask him to make a call, to send a text message, to play some music, and for example, ask about the weather. Let me show you a few examples. So I will launch the assistant by saying this sentence. Hey Celia, set an alarm at 10 p.m.
I have set up the alarm for 22.
Alright, it says that it has been done, and we can also see in our alarm app that everything has been successfully set. 10 p.m. enabled, so it is just like it should. Now let's try with the weather. Hey Celia, what's the weather in LA right now?
There's currently mostly cloudy.
Once again, hey Celia, what's the weather in LA right now?
There's currently haze in LA. Today's forecast calls for slightly cloudy weather, with a high of 37 degrees Celsius and a low of 17.
Alright, as you can see, everything works properly, just like it should. And now maybe the last thing, using the Celia. I'm wondering what we can ask her. Maybe to open some app. Hey Celia, open Notepad.
Okay.
As you can see, it worked properly. So that's when it comes to the AI voice or AI assistant. Let's get back to it, and the alternate way to launch it is by holding the power button for around 1 second. Just like that, you could see that it launched. Down below, you can select the conversation language, enable to call when locked. Emergency calls can be made even when this is disabled. And we also have cool thing called Celia Translate. I really like that feature. Let's add it into our home screen. It's right in here. Above, select the language that you want to translate to from that list. Currently, it's going to translate from English into Italian, so we need to hold this button to talk. So let's say some sentence. Hello, how are you?
Ciao, come stai?
You can see that everything is translating properly. Let's go into face-to-face translation. It is also a pretty cool thing. And it's useful, for example, when you are in a foreign country and you are speaking with a person who doesn't know your language. So above, you can select the language of this person. And if you want to talk to him, her, use this button and speak in English. Everything will be translated into Italian. And then the second person can hold this button. You can even rotate the layout. And this person needs to hold this button and then speak Italian, and everything will be translated into English. So it's really, really useful feature. Okay, let's get back. Now let's go with the AI lens. It allows us to simply scan the QR codes and the barcodes. To find that feature, all you need to do is to launch the camera app, and in here we have that icon in normal photo mode. Simply tap, and we have the code scanner and the translation mode. You can you can add a shortcut of it into your home screen. Same thing with the translation. Oh, actually, you cannot do with the translation, my bad. Let me show you how the translation feature works. So let's say we want to translate the detected language into maybe Chinese. In here I have a bottle of cleaning spray, so I'll show you that it works. You can currently see the original language, it's in Polish. And now using the AI, I will take a photo. And you can see that everything has been successfully translated into Chinese. So it worked just like it should. Also really useful feature. Let's go again into AI Touch this time. This feature allows us to scan the QR codes that are on pages. For example, in our browser. And it will allow us to scan them. Let me open up the browser with some text. And now to scan for the code that is on the page, simply hold with 2 fingers. Currently, of course, it says that it doesn't see any language, so it won't scan because there's nothing to be scanned. But if there is a QR code on the page, simply hold using 2 fingers, and you'll be able to quickly scan it. Really useful thing. Okay, that's when it comes to this feature. When it comes to AI tips, the only thing that you can do in here is to launch the smart reminders, so the phone will give you and send you notifications about the things that you can do based on the AI and your routines. And we also have the AI search. That's the thing that allows us to simply search for anything on our device. We can enable or disable the suggested apps and the search history. We can add the widget into our home screen. It will look like that. You can use the search scope, and here we have the searchable items. You can turn them on or disable some of them. It's up to you. And now to launch it, simply slide on your home screen. In here we have our bar, and we can search for basically anything that we want in here, which is installed on our device. As you take a look in here, you can also quickly open up the QR code scanner. And here we have that widget that I was showing you that you can add. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.